Okay, next, welcome back to your P block elements, group 15th elements. In the last session, you have to study the chemical properties of group 15th elements with respect to your oxidation state. Clear? Next, in this session, you have to study the very curiosity concept, the anomalous behavior or anomalous properties of the nitrogen. First means, what is mean by an anomalous behavior? Something is different character from the rest of another elements in the group. Suppose the group 15th element, the family members nitrogen, phosphorus, arsenic, antimony and bismuth. Nitrogen is an exhibits the different character with respect to an other family members is called an anomalous behavior. Something is vichitravagaidu. Some behavior is an different from with respect to other. ಈಗ ಒಂದು ಫ್ಯಾಮಿಲಿ ಮೆಂಬರ್ಸ್ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಏನಪ್ಪ, ಎಲ್ಲರದು ಒಟ್ಟಿಗೆ ಒಂದೇ ಫ್ಯಾಮಿಲಿ ಅಂತ. ಬಟ್ ನೈಟ್ರೋಜನ್ ವಿಚಿತ್ರವಾಗಿ ಬಿಹೇವಿಯರ್, ದಟ್ಸ್ ಬಿಹೇವಿಯರ್ ಇಸ್ ಕಾಲ್ಡ್ ಅನಾಮಲಸ್. ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ಸಮಥಿಂಗ್ ಇಸ್ ದ ಡಿಫರೆಂಟ್ ಕ್ಯಾರೆಕ್ಟರ್ ವಿತ್ ರೆಸ್ಪೆಕ್ಟ್ ಟು ದ ಫ್ಯಾಮಿಲಿ ಮೆಂಬರ್ಸ್. What are the reason for the anomalous behavior? That's very important. Nodi, reasons for anomalous behavior. Anomalous behavior of what? Nitrogen. What is the first reason? Due to smaller atomic size, and second one, higher electronegativity, and higher ionization energy, and fourth one, absence of d orbital in valence shell. Absence of d orbital in the valence shell. These are the reasons for an anomalous behavior. Suppose also for 2 marks question, give reasons for anomalous behavior or anomalous properties of nitrogen. What is the first reason? Smaller atomic size, higher electronegativity, and higher ionization energy, and absence of d orbital in the valence shell. With respect to this reason, what are the anomalous behavior to exhibits? Anomalous behavior of nitrogen. ಎರಡಕ್ಕೂ ಕನ್ಫ್ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೇಡಿ. That is the reason for anomalous behavior. What are the anomalous character, anomalous behavior of a nitrogen? The first anomalous behavior of a nitrogen with respect to the other family members is ability to form. P-pi multiple bond. Ability to form P-pi multiple bond. These are the first anomalous behavior of a nitrogen. Suppose nitrogen is an ability to form P-pi multiple bond. What is the reason? Due to its smaller atomic size, the reason for P-pi multiple bond with itself. Ability to form P-pi multiple bond with itself and other smaller elements like carbon and oxygen. Suppose you have to already study the nitrogen exists as a diatomic gas at room temperature N2. Clear? It's a diatomic. The atomicity is 2. Suppose N triple bond N. The bond order is how much? 1, 2, 3. 3. Bond order is 3. It's contain 1 sigma bond and 2 pi bond. Clear? The nitrogen, the p orbitals, the another nitrogen is p orbital. It's an head-on overlap and lateral overlap p pi, multiple bond with itself and another smaller elements with an carbon and oxygen. Why? What is the reason for its ability to form p pi multiple bond? Due to smaller atomic size, but all the other elements like an phosphorus, arsenic, antimony and bismuth is does not ability or does not able to form p pi multiple bond due to larger atomic size. Suppose in nitrogen 2p, phosphorus 3p, 4p, 5p, 6p, there is a larger atomic size and there is no effective overlapping of an p orbital to form p pi multiple bond. P indicates what? P orbital. Pi bond indicates what? It's a lateral or sideways overlap. Sideways overlap and p orbitals of a nitrogen itself is called p pi multiple bond due to small atomic size. That is the first anomalous behavior of a nitrogen. Clear? What is the second anomalous behavior of a nitrogen? Clear? It is chemically inert. It is chemically inert at room temperature. Room temperature ಅಂದ್ರೆ ರೂಮ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿರೋ ಟೆಂಪರೇಚರ್ ಅನ್ಕೋಬಿಟ್ಟಿರಲ್ಲ ಏನೋ ನಾರ್ಮಲ್ ಟೆಂಪರೇಚರ್ 25 degrees Celsius. Is in chemical inert at room temperature due to higher bond enthalpy, due to higher bond energy or bond enthalpy of N triple bond N. It is in chemically inertness of room temperature due to increases the bond, due to higher bond enthalpy of N triple bond N. Suppose increases the temperature, increases the chemical reactivity of N2 because increases the temperature, increases the bond breaking capacity. That is the reason for the nitrogen is an anomalous behavior. The second anomalous behavior is an exists as a diatomic gas and chemical inert at room temperature due to what is the reason? Higher bond enthalpy of N triple bond N. Another anomalous behavior, the maximum covalency. The maximum covalency of nitrogen is 4 only. Due to what? Absence of d orbital in the valence shell. The maximum covalency in ns2 np suppose 2s2 2p3 s orbital ಒಂದಿರುತ್ತೆ p orbital 3 ಇರುತ್ತೆ 4 ಗಿಂತ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಎಕ್ಸಿಬಿಟ್ ಮಾಡೋಕ್ಕಾಗಲ್ಲ. What is the reason? Due to absence of d orbital in the valence shell. Suppose let us consider an ammonia NH3. You already studied in the first PUC chemical bonding. The nitrogen contain one lone pair of electrons in 2 s orbitals. Clear? The maximum covalency is an 4 in case of a coordinate bond only. Accept H plus to give an ammonium ion NH4 plus ammonium. You have analysis of a basic radical, 0th group basic radical in ammonia NH4 plus cannot exceed more than 4 due to absence of d orbital. Suppose is 3 plus 1, it's impossible only presence of a lone pair of electron, its ability to form a coordinate covalent bond. Clear? Next, the another anomalous behavior is does not ability to form p pi d pi bond. it does not ability to form p pi d pi bond due to absence of d orbital in the valence shell, but other family members it's an ability to form p pi d pi multiple bond due to presence of an d orbital in the valence shell. Clear? And another anomalous behavior is it's a tendency to form tri-negative, it's a tendency to form tri-negative ion. Suppose the nitrogen is an highly electronegative, it's an ability to form tri-negative ions. Nitride ion anta ಕರಿತೀವಿ, nitride. It's an only to ability to form a tri means 3 negative charge. Tri negative ion is called nitride because due to what? Higher electronegativity and smaller atomic size. ಯಾವ ತರ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ನೋಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ, ನೈಟ್ರೋಜನ್ ಅಟಾಮಿಕ್ ನಂಬರ್ 7 ತಾನೆ, 1s2 2s2 2p3 valence electron ಎಷ್ಟಿದೆ 5. By gaining of an 3 electron it satisfied to octet rules due to its an smaller atomic size and higher electronegativity. These are the another anomalous properties of nitrogen. Okay, these are the reason for anomalous behavior. Due to this reason, what are the anomalous behavior of a nitrogens? Suppose 2 marks ಒಂದು ಎರಡು ಸತಿ ಕೇಳಿದೆ, what are the anomalous behavior of a nitrogen? What is the reason for anomalous behavior of a nitrogen? ನೀವು ಒಂದನ್ನ ಕಲ್ತ್ಕೊಂಡ್ರೆ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಗ್ರೂಪ್ 15th ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ anomalous behavior of an oxygen, group 17th elements ಅಲ್ಲಿ anomalous behavior of an fluorine, same reasons. In the next session, what are the chemical reactions? Suppose reaction with an hydrogen, reaction with an oxygen, reaction with an halogens and reaction with an metals. These are the important concept you have to study in the next session. Okay.